Hello guys, today's video, they're going battle of two powerful entities. One is Queen of Lyaks, the Rangda, and second is clone brother of Godzilla, the Space Godzilla. What if these two powerful entities get fight? Who will win? Let's get find out. So without getting late, let's get start the video. First, let's talk about Rangda. Rangda is a normal means a spirit in like Hindu Diana and other monster and spirits all. Rangda was founded in mentioned by in Indonesian mythology of Bali. And there was two spirit. Good spirit represent Barong and evil spirit represented by Rangda. And Rangda was a queen that greedy, that his beauty from Ma Durga. And that's reason he choose dark magical powers. And he can hidely because his Bali name is Bali rule is no can bad ritual and demonic powers use them. And if there's somebody find Rangda powers, he could told king of Bali Rajsen, and he get out the Rangda from the city, and he decided to take revenge from, and he learned more magical powers and spirit corruption. After the terror of Rangda, his son of Rangda's son can take revenge from Parong, and after the fight of Rangda and Parong, Rangda will defeated and go to jungle. Now let's talk about Rangda powers and abilities. Rangda has a dark powers that control elemental, soul manipulation, pyrokinesis, telekinesis, mind manipulation, and psychic resistance. And his claws were very powerful that can cut entire skin. And his main weapon is dark power and dark magic that will corrupt any army. Now let's talk about Space Godzilla. Space Godzilla is an alien monster that is birthed from space by after the death of Godzilla and Violante fight. Violante was dead, but after the conversion of spore, he can disperse in atmosphere, and this cell can get into space and eaten by black hole. And after the out of white hole, he created Space Godzilla. Space Godzilla, some people called Astro Godzilla, Alien Godzilla, and Star Godzilla. And Space Godzilla has lots of powers and abilities like telepathy, telekinesis, corona beam, aura, electromagnetic pulse, energy shield, energy drenation, and geokinesis. That very powerful that get lifted Mogera weight, and he captured Godzilla son, and it's the first travel he defeat Godzilla. And that's all. If you watch until the end, like the video, subscribe my channel, and turn on bell notifications so I don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. And these two monsters can fight. Space Godzilla will easily win then. Give your opinion then. So that's all.